Okay, I guess I'm going to attempt to fix this thing. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix it all. I've taken this thing apart many times, and it's not fun. I don't want to take it apart again because one, it's annoying, and two, I don't like taking stuff apart so many times. But yeah, I'm going to try to at least fix the lever. That's just what it does right now. I'm sure you've seen it, but
Mr. Grinch, you really are here. You're a cuddly, a cactus, and a charming of a heel. You're a bad banana with a greasy black beard. And that's bad.
and I'm gonna see if I could do something to get this working, the spinning arm. I don't know how it's gonna work, but I guess I'll find out. So yeah. Okay, I took the head off and the clothes off. The worst parts about this, these wires have been off. It came off last time I was taking it apart. I think the spinning arm might be fried because when I took this apart before, like the motor would spin, then it would slow down and stop working, and then I tried a different motor and it did the same thing. So I might try to put wires to the hip swing mechanism to this motor, maybe, I don't know. But I right now mostly want to fix the lever, so yeah, I'll get to that. I'm gonna try to use this, I guess. It's the only thing I could find. So yeah. Okay, I got this thing off, and yeah, it is yellowed. I had to actually glue that right there because it cracked. Anyways, I was looking for like a nail, since screw has that. I feel like a nail would work better, but I don't really have nails. And this is really long, but it could work. It's like one of these things, but just like glue it on like this. Yeah, it might actually. Oh, yeah, that would be too long. I might have to, like, I don't know, break it in half or something. But yeah. So I put this screw on there, and it's gluing right now. I put more glue right here. I put like stronger glue and then just put hot glue over it. And yeah. So I'm gonna let this glue, it keeps leaning. I'm gonna let that glue for a little bit. And I guess go from there. Okay, it is 2 days later, and it is glued now. I put it back in, and I'm going to test it, so hopefully it works. I am scared. Okay. Oh boy. There we go. That's how it's supposed to move. That's good. Finally. Hip swings like it's supposed to. I'm going to try to figure out the spinning arm, but we'll see about that. I'm just recording this now because I don't know if it'll stay, but it's working right now. I hope it keeps working, but I don't know if it will. Because this thing usually starts working and then it just stops. So. Okay, here he is. I meant to finish this like a couple days ago. I kept forgetting, so I don't know. I think this is like probably 2-3 days later, but I didn't fix the spinning arm, which I kind of expected. It was working. I know it was spinning backwards, but for some reason, if I saw the wires like the way it's supposed to spin, it wouldn't do anything. But if I saw the wires backwards, it would only work backwards. So I just was gonna do that. And I put the Santa suit on, and it would spin like this. And as soon as it got to like here, it got stuck. So I was thinking maybe the belt was bad, so I put a new belt on it. And it wouldn't spin. I checked it again. I guess the wire got loose, so I resoldered it. And it just wouldn't spin after that. The motor would not work for some reason. I tried like resoldering it a couple times. I like took the motor cap off and stuff. Nothing would work. So that kind of sucks, but whatever. Oh yeah, another thing. I think another reason that this is another reason why I didn't fix the spinning arm is because when I was touching the wire to the motor, at one point for some reason the lights would go dim, like there was a short in somewhere in it. So that's another reason why I just stopped trying, because I didn't want to mess anything up. So, but it does hip swing better at least, so that's good. So let me plug it in. Jeez. It does kind of push the bass a little bit when it hip swings, but it moves a lot better. Before it would like go back and forth so much it'd literally almost fall over if I didn't hold the bass. So it's definitely better. And yeah, this kind of sucks. It's falling apart. But yeah. So yeah, it's that, I guess. Hopefully I won't have to open this up for years. I guess that's it for this. And yeah, see you next video.